We are tightly packed into this tightly compact car. This modern car uses only 1 ounce of gas per 20 miles. Look how tight we are. Look at this. See the raft?
You want to pick up a camera?
Yeah. Right here.